Hello everybody. I wanted to give you an update on my plant. One of my plants that have been getting that sticky residue on the leaves, and then since I had it overwintered, the geranium, it was beside it, those geraniums also got sticky residue on the leaves. I think they're scale because they're kind of light brown. They were on the leaves, and I couldn't wait for the warm weather to come. As soon as June came, it started getting warm, so I decided to take out the plants outside right away and put them on the table, some on the chair. I took out the chairs as well because I put them all away for winter. As soon as I took out this plant outside, all the flies were starting to just, go on the branches and everywhere. They were sticking on there because they were, I guess, sucking up that sap or whatever sweet thing they left, because that shiny sticky thing is sweet. Yeah, I kind of tried it. I know that's gross, but I was curious. I was so fed up that my whole plant was like turning yellow, the leaves, and everywhere was yellow. It was raining just a few minutes ago and I thought it stopped. I think it's kind of spitting a bit. Well, I'm trying to finish the video before it starts raining again. So what I did is just remove all the leaves, pull all the leaves out. I got fed up. I said, well, either way, if the plant wants to survive, I will just take out the leaves and just, remove all the bad stuff from the leaf. And then I threw it in my organics bin. I didn't throw it anywhere else. I threw it directly to my bin where all the organics, the recycle, comes and picks it up. Those flies did such a great job that they removed everything. And look, now it's full of leaves. It was like no leaves at all. None. And now it's full. So far so good. Nothing has been on it. The leaves are all clean. The leaves are so green, nice and dark green. And I still don't know what plant this is. I'm not sure if it's a lime or if it's a mandarin seed that I have put here. And these leaves, they're good to make tea. I just removed this ugly looking leaf. If I'm not mistaken, there's a dried up scale there, so I removed that right away. Yeah, so everything else looks good, perfectly fine, and I'm just happy for this plant that it's back to life again. And I'm just curious what plant it is, if it's lime or if it's a mandarin, because I was buying those small mandarins or clementines, whichever one, I don't know. I also planted some kumquats, which I have 2 little trees. So this is what I wanted to share with you. So the flies did a great job. They removed all that sticky stuff from the plant, because I did leave a few leaves, like let's say maybe 7 leaves, and they actually did a great job in taking out that sticky stuff from the plant. And now look at it, it's so healthy, it's beautiful, and I'm glad for it. Really, I'm really happy. Anyways, my friends, this is a short video. Thank you all for watching. Subscribe if you're new. Don't forget to click that bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Share my videos, and hope to see you again in the next video. Thank you all for watching. Bye.